Hi guys, welcome back to Jamani and India's channel. We are going to be making some African cuisine today. First, I have my shrimps and I have my oil already in the pot. And this is broccoli. This is squat. And I have butter squat. I'm gonna add to it at the end because I'm steaming it in a different pot. And this right here is two different onions, the white onion and the purple onion. And this is tomatoes. This is sweet pepper, and that's avocado, my favorite of all time. This is the squab that I'm steaming to have. My favorite season, guys, you know that. To add to the sauce, raw nut butter to it. Cashew nut butter is raw. I'm adding to the sauce. Okay. So to give it that flavor touch up. I'm gonna throw in some onion. Because I don't want it to be oily. You want it to be really nice and thick. And now I'm gonna add the sweet pepper. So you start it a little bit and add a little bit of sweet pepper. Okay. And you see how beautiful it looks? This is what I'm making for Daddy Day today.
Yay! Thank you, mommy.
Yes, I'm making this food for Daddy today.
Thank you. I love you.
All right. This is for Father's Day. And I also want to add salmon to the side because the salmon is going to also give it that touch up. And it's some grilled salmon. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to it. I'm going to put it on slow cook. This is really good. I'm going to add in some parsley and a little bit of vegetables. What's this one? And add a little bit of vegetable seasoning to it. Veggie seasoning, you see what it looks like? Okay guys, I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. I don't need to measure it because I don't need a lot. And I'm going to keep stirring it. As you can see, the sauce is thick. You add a little bit more milk if you want, but try to use this brand of milk, not just any milk, before you don't get the texture that you really want. I have some broccoli and I have some squash, green squash. I'm going to add to it. And just stir it. You should make this at home instead of you even going to a restaurant, to be honest with you. I know the restaurant are open again, but if you make this meal, you can save some for later. Because most of the Thai food I used to buy in New Jersey sometimes, this is what they used to add in it. Like, you will just see them sometimes, they will make it in front of you. So, at times go by, you're able to make it if you want, if you're willing to learn. So you can make, as you see, this sauce, how beautiful it looks. Okay. And I'm going to add the rest of my sweet pepper. So, but look how it looks, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. This is good vegetables. This is healthy. And you will add more onion. By the way, we cut down 2 onions, but we're only using half of each. Not the whole thing if you don't like too much onion. But I know I like onion because it's healthy for you. And stir it slow. We are going to be eating this with some sweet potatoes, not rice. Because and you will just let it cook, slow cook now. You can cover it up and just have it steam. on its own. Or even if you want, you can add a little bit more oil to it. When it's almost cooked, I'm going to add a tomato to it. So look like the potato is already ready. So I'm gonna just take the liquid from the potato and add it to the sauce, okay? So I have potato and butter squash in here, but I'm gonna put the potato, the liquid on the potato. I'm gonna add it to the sauce. You could eat this with rice or anything of your choice. It's up to you. But the butter squash is already in it. So I'm almost done with my sauce. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of this season. It's not a lot. And close it up. And you can see that sauce, what it's look like, just the color. You can see the color. And this pot is really good. It don't make no mess. Everything just stay in place. It look like almost a non-stick pot. I really like it. And I kind of enjoy cooking in it. So I'm just going to close it a little bit and have my shrimp to. Okay, guys, I'm going to close it up. We'll be right back. We're going to go check the salmon and see what the salmon look like by now. That's what the salmon look like. The salmon is almost, this is the salmon is grilled. And this is the tomatoes. I'm just going to add a tomato here because the cuisine. Okay. The stew is ready. This is the stew. It's already ready. You can eat this stew with any fish of your choice. But I chose salmon. This one, you see how beautiful it looks. Okay. So I'm gonna put the potato and the yellow potato here is not potato, it's squash in it, butter squash. So the butter squash and the sweet potatoes. And the avocado. So now this is the shrimps in the stew. And I'm just gonna add it to this. And see how it looks. With the shrimps. Ooh, that looks good. So this is Daddy Day food for Father's Day.
Thank you, mommy.
This is what he requested for. This is one of his favorite.
That's why I love you so much.
This is one of his favorite. So thank you guys for watching. And thank you so much to our subscriber. And continue to leave a comment. And this is something simple that you can make at home for the family. Thank you guys. I love you. You can taste the food if you want. Let's eat dinner today. Food. You want to put some lemon? Lemon. And lemon.